Are you ready to transform your gaming and content creation experience? Get ready to meet the machine that will redefine your digital world. This isn't just a PC, it's your new command center. Imagine gaming at max settings, streaming flawlessly, and rendering videos in record time. The X-Dragon Gaming PC makes this a reality. It's built for those who demand nothing less than excellence. At its heart lies the AMD Ryzen 7 8700F processor, an 8-core, 16-thread beast. Clocking up to 5.1 GHz, it handles intense gaming and heavy multitasking with ease. Say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless performance. Paired with this powerhouse is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti with 8 GB GDDR7. This graphics card delivers stunning visuals and incredible frame rates. Ray tracing and AI-powered graphics are at your fingertips, bringing games to life like never before. Lag is a relic of the past, with 32 GB of ultra-fast DDR5 RAM at 6,000 MHz. This massive memory capacity ensures smooth multitasking, whether you're gaming, editing, or running multiple applications simultaneously. Experience zero latency in your creative workflows. Boot up in seconds and load games almost instantly thanks to the 1TB Gen 4 NVMe N2 SSD. This lightning-fast storage provides ample space for your entire game library and all your creative projects. Speed and efficiency are guaranteed. This PC isn't just for gaming, it's a content creation powerhouse. The Ryzen 7 and RTX 5060 Ti combo is perfect for video editing, graphic design, and 3D rendering. Unleash your creativity without bottlenecks. For streamers, this machine is a dream come true. Stream your favorite titles in high definition without dropping frames. Engage with your audience seamlessly, knowing your hardware can keep up with every demand. The X-Dragon doesn't just perform, it looks incredible, featuring vibrant RGB air cooling and 7 ARGB system fans. Your setup will glow with customizable colors. Efficient heat dissipation keeps your system cool under pressure. Powering it all is a reliable 600-watt 80+ bronze certified power supply. This ensures stable and consistent performance, protecting your components. Build quality is paramount, giving you peace of mind. Running on Windows 11 Home, you get the latest features and optimizations for gaming and productivity. Connectivity is robust with multiple USB 3.0 and 2.0 ports, DisplayPort, and HDMI for all your peripherals and monitors. As a bonus, every X-Dragon PC comes with a genuine, oversized mousepad. Plus, you get a free 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support. Moong stands behind their product, ensuring your satisfaction. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to elevate your setup. With only 20 units left, these powerful machines are flying off the shelves. Click the link in the description to grab your X-Dragon Gaming PC on Amazon today. Level up your gaming, streaming, and content creation now.